Transform your life with meditation. This is the only guide you'll ever need. Hello, welcome back to the channel. With this video, you'll be taking steps on a journey that promises to transform not only your life, but the lives of everyone around you. Think of the path to inner peace and wellness not as a difficult climb up a mountain, but as a gentle walk through a beautiful forest. And that's exactly what meditation is. A simple yet powerful practice that can lead to a happier, healthier you. So what is meditation exactly? Well, meditation is a practice that uses techniques like mindfulness and focusing on specific objects, thoughts, or an activity to train your attention and awareness. This helps you to achieve a relaxed body, mind, and spirit. Meditation offers a simple way to achieve mental clarity, emotional calm, and overall well-being. It might sound too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. It's not only possible, it's actually the natural state of our mind and bodies when we allow ourselves to slow down, breathe, and just be. This video isn't just another how-to guide you'll forget about. It's a fresh approach to life, one where inner peace is nurtured, stress is released, and healing starts from within. And the best part? It's all about simplicity and connection. By the end of this video, you'll uncover a powerful truth that the benefits of meditation extend far beyond just you. By learning and sharing these techniques, you're not only boosting your health and happiness, but you're also becoming a source of calm and positivity for those around you. You see, imagine a rock being thrown into the pond of life. The ripples created from that rock spread out and touch every edge of the pond. This is exactly like meditation. When you meditate, you tap into more peace, love, and wellness within yourself. Those positive vibrations will ripple out and touch every edge of the world. You see, the ripple effect starts with you. As you practice meditation and focus on your own well-being, those benefits will extend to your loved ones and the community and beyond. In this video, you'll learn how to experience the profound physical and emotional benefits of meditation, helping you to navigate life's challenges with ease. You'll be able to share this gift of meditation with others, creating a wave of well-being that improves everyone's life around you, and ideally embrace meditation in a way that easily fits into your daily life. As you move through this video, you'll notice a shift from thinking, how can meditation help me, to realizing this could help my family, my friends, and the world around. Every time you meditate, it's an opportunity to bring more peace and positivity into the world and the world around you. And here's the most beautiful part. As you help others find their clarity and calm, your own journey towards peace accelerates in ways you never thought possible. This isn't about putting other needs first and other people's needs first. It's about you recognizing that we're all connected. By embracing the gentle power of meditation and sharing it with those you care about, you're not just healing yourself, but you're contributing to the healing of a larger community. And that's where true transformation happens. So are you ready to embark on this journey of inner peace and wellness? To discover just how easy it can be to bring more calm, clarity, and connection into your life and those lives around you. Welcome to a new way of living, one where meditation isn't just a practice, but a shared experience that enriches all of the lives around us. Let's now look at the many benefits of meditation, starting with the physical benefits of meditation. For example, stress reduction. In today's fast-paced world, stress feels like a constant companion, but it doesn't have to be. Meditation offers a gentle way to release the tension that builds up in your body and mind. By simply taking a few minutes each day and focus on your breath, you can lower your stress levels and reduce your blood pressure and improve your sleep. The result? A healthier, more relaxed you, ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Meditation also boosts your immune system, the body's natural defense. You see, when you meditate, you're not just calming your mind, you're also boosting your body's natural defense. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase your immune response, making it easier for your body to fight off infections and stay healthy. It's a simple, natural way to support your body's ability to heal and thrive. Meditation is also a great way to help with pain management. If you've ever had pain, or are in pain, or deal with pain on a daily basis, meditation can be an absolute game changer. By learning to observe your pain without letting it overwhelm you, you can change your relationship with discomfort. Meditation helps you to manage pain more effectively, reducing your reliance on medication, and improving the quality of your life. It's about finding the middle of the storm one breath at a time. Meditation improves sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for health and happiness. And meditation can help you get the rest your body needs. By calming your mind and releasing the thoughts that keep you awake at night, meditation makes it easier to fall asleep and to stay asleep. Incorporating meditation into your bedtime routine, you'll notice that, your sleep becomes more joyful and it actually nourishes you and you look forward to it. There are also profound emotional benefits of meditation, like emotional regulation. Emotions can be like waves, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. Meditation helps you ride those waves with greater ease. By practicing mindfulness, you learn to observe your emotions without being swept away by them. This helps you stay balanced and centered, especially when life gets challenging. Meditation helps you to connect from the heart. Meditation isn't just about finding peace within yourself, it's also about connecting with others. Practices like loving kindness meditation can help you to cultivate compassion, empathy, both for yourself and for those around you. As you develop these qualities, your relationships become richer and more harmonious, and you'll discover that your heart opens in ways that you never thought possible. Meditation helps to reduce anxiety and depression, so you can find calm in the chaos of life. Sometimes worry and sadness can feel like life's really hard. It's like being stuck in a storm of thoughts that just simply won't stop. Meditation can help you find the quiet place within. You see, here's how it works. You learn to pay attention to what's happening right now and practice accepting things as they are without trying to change them. This helps stop the cycle of worry about the future or worry about the past, and by doing this, you become stronger emotionally. It's like building a shelter that protects you from life's storms. You'll notice you feel calmer and more happier even when things get tough. Remember, it's okay to start small. Even a few minutes of meditation can make a big difference in how you feel. The mental benefits of meditation, like focus and concentration, help to sharpen your mind. In a world full of distractions, maintaining focus can be a challenge. Meditation helps sharpen your mind, making it easy to concentrate, especially on the task at hand. Whether you're working, studying, or just trying to stay present in your daily life, meditation can help you to stay on track and achieve your goals with greater ease. Meditation also helps to keep your mind sharp. It's like a workout for your brain. Regular practice will improve your memory and brain function, helping you stay sharp and focused. Whether you're preparing for an exam, working on a big project, or just trying to stay mentally agile as you age, meditation offers a simple way to keep your mind sharp. Meditation also helps you to unlock your inner genius. You see, creativity isn't just for artists. It's a vital part of solving problems and navigating all of life's challenges. Meditation helps you to tap into your inner creativity by quieting the mental noise that often gets in the way of new ideas. When your mind is calm and clear, inspiration flows more freely, leading to new solutions, ideas, and ultimately life satisfaction. The psychological benefits of meditation, like self-awareness. Meditation's a journey of self-discovery. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, which ultimately leads to greater understanding of who you are and how you work. As you explore the depths of your mind, you'll discover new insights about yourself, and you'll find that this self-awareness empowers you to make positive changes in your life. Meditation helps to break negative thought patterns. Negative thoughts can be like chains, holding you back from living your best life. Meditation helps you break free from these patterns by teaching you to observe thoughts without getting caught up in them. Over time, you'll find your mind becomes a more positive, supportive place, helping you approach life with optimism and confidence. Meditation will improve your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions as well as the emotions of others. Meditation helps you develop this skill, making it easier to navigate relationships and social situations. As your emotional intelligence grows, you'll find that you're better able to connect with others and build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Last but not least, the spiritual benefits of meditation. A deepened sense of connection. Meditation is more than just practice. It's a way of connecting you with something greater than yourself. Whether you see this as a connection to nature, the universe, or a higher power, meditation helps you to tap into this deeper sense of connection. The spiritual dimension of meditation can provide you with a sense of purpose and meaning, helping you to navigate your way through life with greater peace and understanding. Certain forms of meditation, like transcendental meditation, allow you to transcend ordinary consciousness and experience a state of deep inner peace and stillness. These transcendental experiences can be profoundly transformative, offering insights and wisdom that change the way you see yourself and the world around you. At the heart of meditation is the cultivation of inner peace. This peace isn't dependent on external circumstances. It's something you carry within yourself no matter what life brings. As you practice meditation, you'll find that this inner peace becomes a source of strength, helping you to navigate all of life's challenges and everything that life throws at you. In conclusion, meditation isn't just something that benefits you, although it absolutely will. Meditation is also something that can change the lives of those around you. When you meditate, you're like a rock dropped into the pond of life. The calmness and clarity you create for yourself will absolutely spread out in waves, touching everyone you interact with. Throughout this video, you've learned how meditation can improve your life in many ways. It can also help you feel less stressed, sleep better, stay healthier, and even with pain management. Meditation also helps you understand and control your emotions, boost your creativity, and sharpen your mind. It brings you closer to a sense of peace and connection that stays with you no matter what life throws your way. But the benefits of meditation don't stop with you. When you find peace and balance, you naturally bring those qualities into your relationships. People around you will even notice the positive changes in you, and they might even feel inspired to try meditation themselves. By sharing what you've learned and encouraging others to meditate, you're really helping to spread well-being and calm throughout your community. This ripple effect can lead to bigger changes in the world around us. Imagine more people feeling peaceful and connected. Imagine communities where stress is handled better, conflicts are resolved in a more loving way, and challenges are faced with strength and understanding. This is exactly what happens when more people start to meditate. It's like planting seeds of peace and kindness that can grow into something much larger. By making meditation a part of your daily life, you're not just improving your own health and happiness, you're also helping to create a more peaceful and caring world. Each time you meditate, you're contributing to something much bigger than yourself. Meditation is simple, but its impact can be powerful. It's a practice that makes your life better and also helps others. As you continue your meditation journey and share it with others, you'll see how these small, mindful movements can make a big difference. So let's take this journey together. Let's spread the calm, peace, and well-being we find in meditation, making not only our lives better, but also the world around us better too. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with as many people as possible to ripple out more love and compassion. And also have a look at the many meditations that are available on my YouTube channel, especially to find the one that resonates with you the most. See you in the next video.